Hi, this is lesson 151, Writing with Phonics. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, we have a party going on here. So I'm going to kind of help you through this. I'm not going to do the whole thing for you, but I will work you through. Make sure you put what goes up there. Your nose goes up there, right? No, it doesn't. Your name. Now, as you see this little house here, you have the upstairs, the downstairs, and the basement. Now remember, there's spiders down here, so they probably don't go down there very much. So we have the top, middle, and bottom, and basement. So that's where we get that. We have these houses here too. Okay, so I am going to try to stay on the lines here too. So I'm going to grab my pen and I'm going to go down here. This says Deb got a big box. Yeah, she looks very happy, doesn't she? Okay, so on this one, let's see if I can stay on the line. I'm going to go straight down, and then I'm going to go around. That was kind of squiggly. So that, let me do that one again. I'm going to get a little wider pencil there. Okay, it goes down. That's a little better, not quite so squiggly. Then this comes around and back there. So that's the D. Remember, the E is a clock letter. Do the clock and then go across. B is a stick letter. Remember, down, and I have you bounce over, so it makes the roundy part nice and round. And it's easier to remember, stick and bounce, okay? This is a clock letter. And remember to leave a space. I'm going to go ahead and go see if I can get rid of that one. Pencil, or eraser. Okay, I have an eraser too. Okay, so remember this is a clock letter. So we're going to go around, up, and then down in the basement and hook it. Now remember, don't let it go flying into space. Now this is another clock letter. So it starts here. It goes up to the line, the dotty line, and it goes around. There you go. The T, remember to make the T taller. It can't be down below the dotty line. It's got to be up here, top, or above the dotty line, but it doesn't really reach the top line. Remember to leave a space between Deb and Got, because otherwise it'll be Deb Got, and I don't think anybody's name is Deb Got. So Deb Got, let's do the T, straight line, okay, kind of straight line. A says and it's all by itself. And then down. Oh, that was nice. And then this is another B because its stick is first. Bounce up and around like the H, only it's got the roundy part. I is a little short one, and make sure you don't make a meatball there. Okay, no meatballs unless it's in your spaghetti. And here's the G. G is a clock letter. Whoops, squiggled. Okay. And a B. Here we go with another B. Whoops, I'm going to have to erase that one. Anyway, I'm going to do one more word on this side. Bounce up and over. Clock letter. And you see how I'm leaving the space in between the line. Oh, that was a really ugly one. And I'm going to put the dot right there. Boink. Okay, so make sure that you're leaving spaces. If you can't get the next dot, like if your Deb reaches way over here, don't put this right next to it. Go over here and ignore the dots if you need to. I'd rather you make your letters smaller so that you can stay kind of scrunched up a little bit. But if you can't, make sure you don't try to squeeze them together. Let's take a look at the next page. This looks like a coloring page. Oh, there's a lot of coloring things. Ooh, fish is over here and he's fishing here. I don't think he's going to catch that fish. Okay, this is a capital L, just like we have in our class, but different name. So make sure your capitals are nice. So that's there. And then there's a C, capital C. Go around. And then over here, I'm going to point out that you have a question mark. So doink, make sure it's just a dot, not a meatball. Okay, so you're going to write these on the next line down here, okay? So it says, Luke likes to fish. Let's read this together. Can he get a big one? Can he get a big one? Huh, that's a question. You think he can? Maybe. I don't know. But I will let you go ahead and do the rest of this lesson and do your good writing. Remember to use pinchy fingers, and I will say goodbye. Toodaloo.